also using Instamojo as a payment gateway for your business, then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video, we are going to understand how to create a subscriber in Pabbly email marketing on Instamojo payment. So I run an online store and I'm using Instamojo as my payment gateway to receive new payments from my customers. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new payment through Instamojo, then automatically I want to add the customer as a subscriber in my Pabbly email marketing tool so that I can further send the offers to my customer through email. So here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my Instamojo with my Pabbly email marketing tool using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So as I've already mentioned in my introduction that I am running an online store and I am using Instamojo as my payment gateway to receive new payments from my customers. So here on my screen you can see the checkout page of my store's product, which is named as designer dress, and now here I'm going to make a test purchase of this product in order to check whether the customer who has made the payment is added as a subscriber in my Pabbly email marketing tool or not. So here to test the automation, we are going to click on this pay now from here given over here. And here I'm going to enter some dummy data and do a test submission. So here for the first name, I'm going to enter the name as demo, last name as user, email as demo@pabblytudes.com. And here I'm going to enter random phone number. And then I'm going to click on this proceed to pay. And from here, I'm going to select my payment method as credit or debit cards because I'm going to use a credit card over here. And here I'm going to enter the card number. And then I'm going to enter the expiry date and the year. And then I'm going to enter the CVV. And then I'm going to click on this pay. And here I'm going to enter the OTP for the payment confirmation. And then I'm going to click on the submit. And the payment successful. So here you can see we have successfully made a payment over here, and with this we have successfully made an order over here. So now let's go and check our Pabbly email marketing tool to see whether the subscriber has been created or not. So here you can see we have successfully created a new subscriber with the email as demo@pabblytudes.com and the name as demo user. So with this we have successfully checked the working of this automation. So now let's learn step by step that how you can create this entire automation. So for that what I need to do is that I need to connect my Instamojo payment page with my Pabbly email marketing tool using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software, and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. So this is the homepage of Pabbly Connect, and you can visit it by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect. Here you can see two options, that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection I need to create a workflow first. So for that, here I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as create a subscriber in Pabbly email marketing on Instamojo payment. And now I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here. And by clicking on this, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. So now moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as Instamojo as I'm receiving new payments through Instamojo. So Instamojo is a platform that makes it easy for businesses and individuals to sell products and services online. It allows you to create payment links, set up an online store and accept payments securely. So here in my Instamojo trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new sale, so that whenever a new sale is made through our Instamojo payment page and a successful payment is received, then automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response, or you can say automatically this entire workflow is going to get triggered. And now here, after selecting my trigger event, you can see I've received a webhook URL. That means here I'm going to use this webhook URL to connect my Instamojo account with Pabbly Connect. So here, following the instructions given below, firstly here I'm going to copy this webhook URL. And here I've already logged in my Instamojo account. So this is my Instamojo account, and here you can see all the payment pages which I have created using Instamojo. So here I'm going to select my particular payment page, which is named as designer dress. And from here I'm going to click on this 3 dots, and from here I'm going to select edit page. Now this is the page, so I'm going to scroll it a little down. And here you can see we have received the option for add a webhook over here. So we have to turn it on, and here you can see it is asking me for the webhook URL. So here I need to enter the webhook URL that I've received in my Pabbly's workflow. So here I'm going to remove this previously existing URL, and then I'm going to add a new one. And now here, after adding the webhook URL, here it is asking me to select the information to be sent. So here in this information to be sent field, I need to select the event on which I want to receive the response on this particular webhook URL. So here I want to receive a response for successful payment. So I'm going to select that particular event. And now here, after entering both the required details, I'm going to click on the save and update given over here. And here I'm going to click on this yes, save and update. And with this, we have successfully set up a webhook in our Instamojo payment page. So now let's move back to our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here, to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to place a test order with a successful payment through our Instamojo payment page. So for that, let me take you back to my Instamojo account. Here I'm going to select the 3 dots, and from here I'm going to click on this share page. And here you can see we have received a shareable link of our payment page, so I'm going to copy it and then I'm going to open it in a new tab. And now from here I'm going to place a test order. So for that, I'm going to click on this pay now. Here I'm going to enter some dummy data and do a test submission. So here for the first name, I'm going to enter the name as dummy, last name as user, email as dummy@pabblytudes.com. Here I'm going to enter random phone number, and then I'm going to click on this proceed to pay. And then here I'm going to select my payment method as credit or debit cards. And then here I'm going to enter the card number. And here I'm going to enter the expiry month and year. And here I'm going to enter the CVV. And then I'm going to click on this pay. And then here it is asking me to enter the OTP. So here I'm going to enter the OTP. And then I'm going to click on the submit. And with this, you can see we have successfully made a successful payment over here. And here you can see the payment is successful. So with this, we have successfully placed another order through our Instamojo payment page. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the payment status as success. Here you can see the payment ID. Here you can see the currency. Here you can see the amount. Scrolling little down, here you can see the page ID and the other details such as the quantity, purpose, amount. Scrolling little down, here you can see the buyer's phone number, name and email address. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once we have received a successful payment through our Instamojo payment page, then automatically I want to add the customer as a subscriber in my Pabbly email marketing account. So for that, here in this action step, I'm going to select my action application as Pabbly email marketing. So Pabbly email marketing is a tool that helps businesses send bulk emails to their subscribers easily. It's known for offering affordable plans with no limits on the number of emails you can send. People use Pabbly because it's simple to create email campaigns, automate follow-ups, and track how well the emails are performing. So here in my Pabbly email marketing action step, I'm going to select my action event as add subscribers, so that whenever a successful payment is received through our Instamojo payment page, then automatically the customer is going to add as a subscriber in my Pabbly email marketing tool. And now here, to connect my Pabbly email marketing with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here, to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Pabbly email marketing account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here, to build a new connection, it is asking me to enter the token. So here in the help text, it says enter your bearer token here to obtain the bearer token. Log into your Pabbly email marketing account, navigate to the integration sections and click on developer API and copy the barrier token. So here you can see we have received a hyperlink for this developer API window. So I'm directly going to click on this as I have already logged in my Pabbly email marketing account. So here you can see it has directly taken me to the developer API window of my Pabbly email marketing account, and here you can see my token. So I'm going to copy it, and here if you wish to regenerate, then you can regenerate the token. So moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to paste the token. Now here, after successfully entering the token, I'm going to click on the save given over here. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to select the list name. So here in this list name field, I need to select the field under which I want to create a new subscriber. So here I've only created a single list in my Pabbly email marketing tool with the name default list. So I need to create new subscriber in this particular list only. And then here it is asking me to enter the email and the name. So here, instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received in my trigger step. Mapping makes our text dynamic so that whenever we're going to receive new successful payment through our Instamojo, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So I'm going to map my customer's email. So I'm going to search for my customer's email. So this is my customer's email, and then here it is asking me for the name. So I'm going to search for the name. So this is my customer's name, and now here, after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response where the status is success and the messages list updated successfully. That means we have successfully created a new subscriber in our Pabbly email marketing account for the new payment received through our Instamojo payment page. So now let's go and check it. Here I'm going to refresh it. And here you can see we have successfully created a new subscriber with the email as dummy@pabblytudes.com and the name as dummy user. So with this, we have successfully set up our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as Instamojo and our action as Pabbly email marketing. And as you all know that I am running an online store and I am using Instamojo as my payment gateway to receive new payments from my customers. So now here in this case, I want that whenever I'm going to receive a new successful payment through Instamojo, then automatically I want to add the customer who has made the payment as a subscriber in my Pabbly email marketing account, so that further I can send the offers emails to that customer. Okay, so these were the steps to how to create a subscriber in Pabbly email marketing on Instamojo payment. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any query, then you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can simply visit our website, that is www.pabbly.com. So now if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.